Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with power front seats with driver memory, HomeLink, weather band radio, wood dashboard insert, rear view camera, MB text leatherette seat trim, rain sensitive windshield wipers, eucalyptus wood trim, e-call emergency communication system, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.